We know the highest salary, but we do not know who earned it, because group by is not enough. Today I'll show you the SQL feature that solves these window functions. And to quickly show an example, let's check the next query. And now we have the employee, department, salary, and ranking. Okay, let's start. My name is Lada, I'm a software engineer, and let's go. So, first of all, what problem do window functions solve? Speaking about our first query, let's run it. Normally SQL collapses rows, and to get any additional information we need to add some joins or use common table expressions or any other techniques that you would prefer. And now let's check in details what we have done with our second query. So running it once again. Every SQL query and the test data I will attach below the video, so feel free to test on your own. And let's break this down. So partition by creates groups. In our case, departments. Then we use order by, and order by sorts rows inside the department group. We see engineering, and we order by salary. It is sorted already. And then row number assigns the position. The first place, second, third, 1, 2, 3. Then we have another group marketing. It is sorted as well as we would like, order by salary. And once again we have 1, 2, 3. The same goes for the sales department. To sum up, if we need any ranking, row number is a good option. Okay, but what if we only want the highest paid employee per department, let's say? In such a case, what we would try, we would try to use, let it do in such a way. We have the same query, once again, with all the rankings. Then we use common table expression. By the way, if you want to know a little bit more about common table expressions, please check this video. Okay, and then you can add the filter. If row number is 1, then we show the employee. Let's try it. And here we are. And if you want to have a specific department, then we just need to add, and department should be marketing, sales, or whatever. Or if you would like to have just the highest paid employee, we can simply remove partition, check it, and we should have Alice. And here we go. Cool. And let's compare rank and dense rank. It's very important topic because quite often people have these questions during their interviews. So it could be helpful for you as well. Let's check what do we have within our table. And we have 9 rows. And speaking about engineering, we have Bob with 8,000. And just to demonstrate what is the difference between rank and dense rank, I would like to add another employee, John, let's say John, with the same salary within the same department. Okay, and let's check once again. Yeah, we have John as well. And now let's look at rank first. So running this query, and what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 5. Why do we have 5? Just because potentially we should have 4 first, but as long as the salary is absolutely the same, we have 3, 3, and then 5. But if we would like to have 4, then we should use dense rank. Let's run. And in such a case, we have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. It depends on your requirements, what do you need to get, and based on this you should use either rank or dense rank. And by the way, this is one of the most popular SQL interview questions. So rank leaves gaps, but dense rank does not leave any gaps. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. For the previous query, it was 1, 2, 3, 3, 5. Okay, next topic. This is especially useful if you need any statistics data or if you need any reporting data. Let's check first what do we have in our table. We have sale date and amount. First day, second day, the third one, the fourth, and we have amount of our sales. And this is where many developers become fans of window functions. Let's check this query and I will explain what does it do. So we have our date, we have every single row, and additionally we have our cumulative totals. What does it mean? That we have the first day, 100, and our total is 100. On the second date we have 150, and total of the first and the second day is 250. It simply adds the first row to the second row because we added some amount over, and we added order by sale date just to understand what running total does mean for us. For the third day we have our previous sum plus the third date amount, and we have 450. And the last one plus 50, and we have 500. And the beautiful thing of this query is that we don't have any self-joins, any additional subqueries, any common table expressions. It's very clean and it's very understandable. Let's look at the next useful window function. We have sell date amount once again, and like can return your previous amount. So we just need to specify how to order by sell date, and then we can return previous amount. So for the first day we don't have anything. For the second day we have the previous amount. For the third day we have the amount of the second day. Fourth one we have the amount of the previous day as well, the third day. And if you want to get the amount of the next day, we just need to replace leg with lead, and we will get the needed results. Let's take a look. So for the first day we get next day amount from the second day, 150, and the same goes for the second day, and we get the third day amount, and so on. And for the last day we don't have any next days, so we don't have anything to show. And if you prefer to get the difference between the first day and the second day, let's say, we can run it in such a way. So we have our amount, and then amount minus previous day amount over, we specify the order, and then we get our difference. So the difference between the first day and the second day is 50. The same goes for the third one and the second one. And for the last one we get minus 150, just because 50 minus 200, it will be minus 150. And finally, one thing to remember. Window functions can be really useful and powerful, but they can be really expensive. So it is worth check execution plans. If you have really much data, you need to check it on your large data sets, and you need to check whether you have any timeouts or any other issues or not. Because readability is important, but performance still matters. Okay, today we covered row number, rank, dense rank, running totals, leg, lead, and if you understand these window functions, you already know most window functions developers use every day. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, I would really appreciate like subscriptions, comments, whatever. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon.